In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the LivU Mod menu for free. And yes, this method works on both iOS and Android. As you can see on your screen, this version of LivU++ unlocks all the premium features, including unlimited coins and every available mod option. You'll find a full list of features inside the menu, such as unlimited coins and several other powerful tools that make the app much easier to use. Before we start, make sure your LivU app is updated to the latest version. Just open your App Store or Google Play Store and check if an update is available. If everything is up to date, you're ready to continue. Next, head down to the pinned comment below this video. I've placed the exact link and instructions there so you can download LivU++ safely and easily. Follow the steps and you should have the mod menu running in just a few minutes. If this method works for you, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!